Morning guys, Jerry here from NXTGEN Graphics. Today we're on a farm and it's a beautiful day. Giving rain in about 2 hours. So we are in the building and we're gonna wash this show truck inside the building. Good looking truck. Nice rims. Pretty nice. It's not too dirty. The problem with in here is having the light to see. But we're gonna get her out of the rain and see what we can do with this nice truck. There we go. So we're detailing in the dark, kind of. If I turn this light off, you can see it's pretty dark in here. So what kind of lights do you guys use if you run into a situation like this? We got these little cheap ones from Lowe's. I got a cobalt light that's rechargeable. They last a long time. Aaron, I see the one you got. We got this little yellow one. Not even sure what brand it is. Little old cheap thing, but they. You just plug them into your charger and charge them up, and they run for hours and hours and hours. We don't have any trouble out of them running, batteries running down. But as you can see, you know, it's hard to see up in there. When we bring these lights in here, man, we can see everything. So yeah, let us know what kind of light you recommend for this. I know they make a light bar that goes across the top. It's a rechargeable light. Would probably be a good light to have in here, but these little ones where you can hold them in your hand, you can hang. They got a magnet on them, so you can stick them. They got a hook, so you can hang them. And a lot of times we'll hang them up here. But yeah, these are the trick right here, man. Let us know what kind of lights you use, and let us know what works, what don't work, what you recommend. In this low light, makes it tough to record. These GoPros need a lot of light to video, but man, just make sure we get everything. Because as soon as they pull this vehicle out in the sun, it's going to show every little spot that we missed. So, me and Aaron's wanting to build a big building, and this will be great, I think, to have. What we would do is probably put one garage door on the side like this one, but maybe one on the end to be able to pull a long boat or something in. That's what we're looking at trying to build.